Guys, I'm Nivita. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the antilogarithm. So here the format of finding the antilogarithm is log of x is equal to some number like 2.6235 and all. Here the basic format is log of some number will give you a some number. Okay, the thing is we are going to find this log of that number. Understood? So the format for finding the antilogarithm is log x is equal to 2.6235. What would be the next step? X is equal to, when log comes this side, it becomes antilog. It becomes antilog of 2.6235. Understood? So we have to find antilog for this number. Okay. So first step would be like writing the characteristics and mantissa of this number. Here the characteristic could be like this integer part and the mantissa would be like the decimal part. So the characteristics will be like 2, mantissa will be like 0.6235. Understood? So characteristics will be like 2 and the mantissa would be like remaining decimal part is 0.6235. Okay. Then you will be having two types of tables. One is logarithmic table and another one is anti-logarithmic table. You can find the difference between logarithmic table and anti-logarithmic table by here in logarithmic table you will not be having any 0 point, okay, but in anti-logarithmic table you will be having like 0.00, 0.01, 0.02 likewise numbers. Understood? So first what I am going to do is I am going to find this 0.6235. As I already told you, antilogarithm contains 0.62, right? Antilogarithm contains 0.62. 35 where we have to see this 3 from here. So 0.62 and 3 will intersect at 4198, right? 0.62, 0.62 and 3 will be intersecting at 4.98. Here you can see that in question you will be having 0.6235. okay, so that's what I am taking. Mantissa at 0.6235. The first two numbers you have to take from here. Okay, the next number you have to take from the upside. Okay, the intersection of two these numbers will give you 4198. So I am putting like this 4198. And then what is the last number? It would be like 5. In 5 you have to see in the mean difference. In mean difference 0.62 value and 5, the mean difference would be like 5. So what you have to do is you have to add 5 with the already found number. Okay. So what you have to write is, first of all you have to find the characteristics as 2 and mantissa as the remaining decimal part, and then in anti-logarithmic table you have to find this value. The value of 0.623 is 4198. The value of this mean difference, see here, you will be having separate column for mean difference. So from that mean difference you have to take that 5. If you add those two numbers, 8 plus 5 will give you 13, 1, 9 plus 1 will give you 10, 1, 2, 4, 4203, right? So what would be the last step is, in writing the antilogarithm we have to write this new number plus characteristics. Okay, so the new number would be like 4203, right? So here the characteristics 2. So characteristics 2 means what you have to do is you have to consider a point here. Okay, consider a point here and you have to take that point 2 digits apart. So you will be getting 420.3. Understood? So here the characteristics is 2 and you are finding the value. Consider you are having a decimal part here, and if you move the decimal part 2 digits apart you will be getting 420.3. Understood? These are the 4 simple steps to finding the antilogarithm. I am going to tell you how to find the antilogarithm for a negative number. See here you are having another number which is log x is equal to 4 bar point 4561, right? So to find the antilogarithm means x is equal to antilog of 4 bar point 4561, right? So we are going to find the antilogarithm for this. Here the characteristics and mantissa would be like characteristics is 4 bar and the mantissa is 0.4561. The characteristics is 4 bar and the mantissa is the remaining part which is 0.4561. Understood? So we have to find the value for this which is 0.45, right? So I have to take this part. So 0.45 is here and next to 6 comes here. 6 comes here. So 0.45 and 6 will intersect at 2858, right? So I am writing it as 2858. Then see the mean difference is 1, right? So you have to take the mean difference 1. Okay, so here the mean difference is also 1. So what you have to do is you have to add 1 with this number. When you add 1, you will get 2859. Understood? So here the characteristics is 4 bar, mantissa is 0.4561. By using mantissa, you are finding the number which is 2859. Understood? So here we have to, what we have to do is you have to add characteristics with this already found value. So which is 4 bar, right? It's like how you have to write is 4 bar means you have to go backwards. Understood? So here if you consider a point here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to put zeros here. Okay. When you put 0, no, you are having 3 zeros. So it will be like 0.30 and 2859 will come. Understood? What you have to do is you have to combine this characteristics values and this already found value. The characteristics is 4 bar. So what you have to do is you have to mark 4 cups. Okay, backwards. So it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? So you will be having like 0.0002859. Likewise, you used to get the answer. Understood? Log x is equal to this value, x is equal to antilog of this value, characteristics and mantissa is here, and you are by using mantissa you are writing this. Okay, and by using this characteristics value we are taking the point backwards 4 steps before. So you will be getting like 0.0022859. Here we have seen how to find the antilogarithm for positive number as well as a negative number. Thank you for watching.